Okay, so quantitative analysis is a difficult topic that I will say. In quantitative analysis, the things that are being covered is, first is we cover about the distributions. So important is like to understand what are the various distributions are there. You would have heard of normal distribution, binomial distribution. We cover distribution, we covered probability. Okay, so probability distribution. Then we cover the regression concepts. In this, the regression is covered both a simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. We cover both of these concepts, and then we move into calculation of where using Monte Carlo distributions, and it becomes slightly nasty over here, wherein you compute, you get to know the concepts about GARCH, ARCH, EWMA, etc. But what I would say is, for an FRM student, for a person who is like looking in for a risk management career, these are important topics, but you do not have to be an expert in this. You just need to have a basic understanding of this. Okay, but overall, like, this also carries a weightage of 20%, and total marks is 20. What I see is slightly more than 20 questions will be coming. So what they do is they allocate some questions from here to the quantitative method. Okay, then the next topic is financial markets and products. So as the name implies, we cover about how the financial market works and what are the various products that are available. So financial markets and products, so we will be covering mostly about the derivatives product and the fixed income products. So these are the two two things which we will be focusing in a lot of detail. Okay, so how the way, like, so right, starting from how the financial markets work, how the bid ask spread works, how trading happens. Then we go into how derivatives work, that is what are the different type of derivatives available, what are the properties of derivatives. We will be focusing on that, because if you see derivatives, it involves futures, it involves options, okay, it involves forwards, it involves swaps, it gets into a lot of this type of products. So in level 1 we are only focused about futures, forwards, options, swaps, but these can be on various underlying. As a result, the complexity is also more. Okay, in a financial market and product, we understand about all the properties of this. Okay, then what we'll do is, in the next the next section, we also undertake the valuation of this derivatives product, that is how the forwards are valued, how the futures are valued, how the swaps are valued, or how the fixed income instruments are valued, what are the difficulties in valuation of these instruments. So we cover all this. So what I will say is that if you consider the FRM, in FRM I will say that this is the core. Okay, and if you are able to score very well in these two topics, you will be surely doing well in the examination. Okay, this valuation and risk model, if you see, the valuation and risk model is tightly coupled with this and this, because until unless you understand about the products, you will not be able to value them. Until and unless you understand about the quantitative analysis, you will not be able to have an understanding of the risk model, because in risk models we assume many times the distribution assumption, that is, it will be a normal distribution, and we also need to understand one major thing which is known as value at risk, or it is known as VAR in popularity. If you see the risk management, the focus is on the tails. So the focus is on the tails, and we should focus on the tail, and we estimate with certain probability the maximum loss that can happen, and that is what is known as value at risk. So you have to have a slight mathematical inclination to get into the risk management, and it's not that like very tough mathematics is there, but at least an understanding of the various type of distribution will help in your understanding and the calculations. Okay, and I will say that FRM is a computation oriented examination. You can expect around 50% of the questions in the examination to be problem oriented and 50% will be theoretical. So this is the structure. Okay, now let's see the part 2 topic areas and the weightage. Okay, so in the part 2 topic areas we have market risk measurement and management. Okay, the weightage is 25%. Okay, so in this, as we have said that we have three pillars of risk. One is market risk, second is credit risk, and the third pillar is operational risk. Okay, in so each of these three pillars, if you see, the weightages is given as 25% each in the level 2. Okay,